Hello, my loves. Meet me straight away on the mat. Standing up. Today we begin without much of an introduction. Feel your feet on the floor. Swaying from left to right, placing a hand on your belly, a hand on your heart. Dropping fully into the here and now. Breathing deeply, expanding towards your palms, rooting down into the earth. Today we are setting the intention and the invocation to connect to all of the elements, to awaken the remembrance of the elements within us and our infinite interconnection to them. So breathe into the possibility of experiencing just that. Taking a moment to honor how you are feeling in this moment. How's your heart? How's your belly? Begin to take deeper and stronger breaths in through your mouth. Rubbing your heart space, awakening that center. Rubbing in circular motions. Keeping that gentle sway and feeling the spaciousness of your hips. Sipping in this moment. Sipping out, letting go anything that you do not desire to hold on to. Let your breath guide you to a place inside of you that is calling for your love, for your attention, for your presence. You may have your eyes closed to sink deeper into your practice, into your body, and begin to sway in wider circles, spiraling your hips in figure eights. Slowing down your movement, being very present. Beginning to extend with your hips into the space in front of you and around you, slowly exploring, scooping, feeling, and allowing your entire body to be involved. Your shoulders, your hands, your head. How would it feel to not act from an isolated movement, but every action you take is interconnected? Spiral your head now, slowly opening up, looking up to the sky and folding downwards. Open, roll, look up. Feel into the delicious crevices and pockets within your neck that is just calling for your attention, for you to expand into them like a yummy stretch that you take in the morning right after you wake up. Keep your knees loose. And take your palms as if you're scooping the energy of the earth, this rooted groundedness, and you're pouring it all over your body. So you're scooping, reaching into the earth, feeling for the qualities that you wish to embody. Then bringing your hands through the front of your body, your belly, your chest, your head, and letting yourself be bathed in that. So feel, imagine the qualities of the earth. Is it stability? Is it abundance? Is it fruitfulness? Is it the diamond-like potential of the earth? This pressure inside the earth that creates diamonds. How do you awaken and call that energy up? Is it sensuality? Is it stability? Is it the strength and structure of trees to support your spine? How would you pour that into your body? Let your hands find your skin, your head, massaging your head, massaging the base of your neck, awakening your body, your felt sense, spiraling your wrists, opening, expanding, exploring. The body is said to be an element of the earth, for it is made of the material, the structural, the foundational, the skeletal. It supports our spirit, our essence, and our heart. So play with that energy, invite it, invoke its strength, and let it pour over you. Perhaps swooping down, bending your knees, letting your hands drop to the earth, and then bringing it all the way down, up and in. Take a pause here. Place your palms on your heart and on your belly, and begin to connect to the energy of water, the energy of magnetic fluidity, this interconnected flow of oceanic bliss. Feeling it in your spine as you collapse downwards and open upwards. Collapse and open, contract and expand like the tides of the ocean, coming in and out. Waves crashing against the shore. How does your body crash against the earth? How does it crash against the sky? Folding downwards, floating upwards, spinal flexus, undulating movements, expanding even more into the sky above, placing your palms on your lower back to go into a gentle back bend. And then, if it aligns with your practice today, perhaps speeding up the movement, keeping your knees soft and bending inwards and downwards and expanding upwards. Find the rhythm of your breath and allow it to move with you. Allow it to show you the way. Feeling your breath spilling over into different places within your body, into your ribs, into your belly. And coming back to standing, we'll be tuning into the energy of the sun, the fiery element. So reach your arms open and expand towards the sky and let it pour over you through the back of your head, your shoulders, your chest, gathering that energy as a blessing, as a sacred crown, pouring into your heart space. Inhaling, expanding your palms up, exhaling, pouring down the back of your head, your chest. Inhale up, reach, exhale down. Inhale up. And begin to take bigger, more energetic steps, exploring the space around you with your hands, feeling as if you're chasing your palm with your body, with your eyes, keeping your eyes strictly on the palms of your hands, and feeling how you can dance with the energy of your palms as if there was a magnet between you and your hand. It's dropping low, sinking into your hips. So moving through a dynamic goddess pose, sink your hips low and inhale up. Then inhaling left and right, bouncing your hands on the back of your body, letting them float, tapping your face, your chest, your throat, awakening the energy of your skin, awakening your belly, your arms, tap, tap, tapping, invigorating yourself, tapping down the front of your legs, and take deep, strong breaths, feeling yourself strongly rooted. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth with a ha, loose jaw. And now moving into breath of fire, placing your palm on your belly, inhaling, exhaling rapidly through your nose. Let that go and begin stomping on the ground. Lifting left foot and right foot, shaking something off, keeping that breath rhythmic and steady. Bringing a bigger bounce into your body, letting yourself feel that fluidity of the water bouncing through you, but mixing it together with the energy of the fire. Imagining that through this move, as you shake, you're able to alchemize and transform and let something go that doesn't serve you. Shake it off, kick it off, stomp it off, wiggle it off, wiggling your hips, your bum, your chest, left and right foot. Shake, 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 shake. keeping connected to that strong breath. And now come into a deeper fluidity, having experienced that fire and that water, and see where your body wants to take you. Perhaps stretching your jaw, making faces, letting yourself become free, letting yourself become more primal. Inhale your shoulders up and away from your ears. So inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale, let them drop. Beautiful, let that go and feel that energy through your body. Imagine that you're swimming in this energy, expanding your palms, pushing away from your heart and inhaling back up, gathering energy in your heart space, pushing away, creating a natural funnel of energy, a natural torus-like shape that is alchemizing and cultivating. And now allow yourself to enter into a more animalistic flow, making sounds and following different shapes, making faces, allowing yourself to truly explore the animal side of you. Do you have wings? Are you crawling on the floor? What is your fiery element here? Do you need to get into your hips to feel your original roots? How can you awaken your inner fire? How can you invigorate? How can you become a little more untamed? Our wildness is calling us for a reclamation. We have been so often domesticated and tamed. How can you break free from your cage in this moment? What is the cage that you've put yourself into? And what is the motion, the movement that allows you to break free? Do you need to crawl on the ground? Do you need to feel your spine moving as you place your palms on the earth, as you swoop your chest low, feeling your heart reaching, connecting, expanding, moving, undulating, shaking, twisting, spiraling. Stay connected to that breath. If you aren't yet on the floor, I invite you to sit straddle pose and begin to allow sounds to come out in natural and guttural ways. So you can begin with just a louder sigh and allow yourself to explore this dimension on your knees, where only the top half of your body is moving. So you're guiding the move with your chest. You can guide the move with your head. Your palms are placed on your knees. You're spiraling, circling, moving, awakening this inner cauldron. Shake your hair, expand your chest, let yourself be seen. Imagine that you are alchemizing and awakening that inner fire within you. Increase your breath now. Shake, 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 shake. Shake your hair. It's always so delicious to move between shaking and moving the spine, inhaling up, exhaling back, and combining that all with breath and sound. Let that breath pause for a moment, sipping it all in and holding, expanding. Letting it expand, holding your own expansion, and letting it go, letting yourself go wild. Making gibberish noises, sounding, sighing, moaning. What is stopping you from taking up space with your voice? What is stopping you from taking up space in this moment? Come back in with those rapid breaths, breath of fire. Build energy. Inhale up, inhale all the way into your chest. Inhale all the way up into your head and hold your expansion. Let your fire pour all the way through your body. If you're getting dizzy, place your hands on the ground. Keep yourself steady. The more you build capacity to hold your expansion, the more joy, the more pleasure, the more expression you're able to sustain in your body. And exhale as you please. Find slowly your footing. Exhaling, feeling yourself light as air, moving slowly from the position on the ground. We're going to slowly make our way up, but do so in a very, very, very slow pace. Imagine once again that hand is guiding your gaze, and you're exploring the space around you. Chase, magnetized to your hand, feeling the magnetism between your vision, your anchor, and your body. And let your hand explore the entire space around you as you follow and as you guide. Chase with your head, with your torso. Let yourself play with yourself, your lightness, your joy, your flow, your playfulness. You're connecting to the whispering mystery, the liminal. How would you dance if you could move beyond the ordinary into the mystery of life itself, into the numinous, into the threshold, into the unknown, and with your hand reach into that and begin to weave and shape the reality around you, playing with this liquid light, weaving threads of inspiration, weaving threads of breath. Your body is light as air. Your body is only your breath, and your breath is guiding your movement. Imagining that you yourself have become clouds. Taking this beautiful breath and letting it come through you into expression, beginning to make sounds, humming, moaning, whispering, letting some sort of sound or word or poetry pour out of you as the oracle, the medicine, the one where all the elements weave into oneness. Perhaps you want to hum and just feel the energy vibrating through your chest. Perhaps you want to lead that energy into a particular location on your body, cleansing your central channel, or tuning into that central channel, clearing, opening from head to toe, combining that with that beautiful breath, fine-tuning your instrument. Follow your own intuition, your own guidance, breathing into your own edges. What is a sound that you are afraid to make? What is a sound that would soothe you? Trust yourself. Beautiful job. We will now go into our white swan mudra meditation. So your breath is steady, inhaling through the mouth, exhaling through the nose, reaching all the way to the end breath and inhaling all the way in. Palms are facing outwards as if pushing against a wall. Your two thumb tips will come together at your third eye. The other four fingers are curled inwards. So your two fingers are meant to represent two swans bowing their heads to each other. This mudra and this drishti point represents our focus and our tending to beauty, grace, love, connection, devotion, magic, the mystery. So when you have your mudra and you're continuing with that beautiful breath, close your eyes, keeping your focus on your thumb tips as if you could still see them right between your brows and that third eye. Breathing into that vision, activating it, waking it up. I often love to imagine that there is a beautiful sunset or sunrise right behind the swan heads, covered sky of clouds, nighttime gently pouring in, with a gentle breeze in the distance, the trees whispering their song. And these two beautifully illuminated swans in this innocent, pristine moment of grace, of connection, of bowing to another, of bowing to the divine in another. Supreme love. Supreme grace and graciousness. Remember that breath as it's pouring in and out. it feels aligned, you can guide it through your central channel, starting from the root lock all the way to the top of your head and back down through your spine or front body. Marinating, getting saturated in this sunlit moment of beauty, your energy in perfect harmony, to weave this in your imagination, to bring more of that into your life. Take a deep breath in, squeezing your pelvis, and breathe all the way to the top of your head, to your crown, and hold. Exhaling, placing both of your palms on your heart center, integrating this practice, closing, taking away with you anything you wish to take, and leaving behind anything you don't want. Have a beautiful day and take care of yourself.